Hi everyone, it's Rosalie here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you my top 3 favorite poses for office workers, and this actually comes from a request from one of my colleagues. If you sit at a desk for hours at a time, you start to feel a little bit stiff through your shoulders, through your hips, and you just don't feel very good in your body. Here are 3 poses you can do at work, at your desk to feel better in a matter of minutes. Now for this first pose, which is a modified downward dog, I'd like you just to face your desk and have about 1 meter between you and your desk. Have your feet hip-width distance apart, bend through the knees, and go ahead and reach your arms out in front of you. Think about having your arms really nice and straight. And keep reaching out through the fingertips as you drop your chest down towards the floor. And then slowly start to straighten the legs. Keep reaching through the fingers. Dropping your heart, your chest down towards the earth. And just breathe here, hang here for a few nice big deep breaths. You might want to make sure there's no one behind you. Just keep breathing through this. If you want a little bit more stretch to the shoulders, you can bring your hands a little bit more towards the edge of your desk. It just lets you fall a little bit more. It's such a nice stretch. The shoulders, the upper back. See if you can just stay here, maybe a count of 10, maybe 15 nice big deep breaths. Have you tried that? It feels so much better. For the second exercise, you're going to go ahead and clasp your hands behind your back. Now really bend your elbows, bringing your elbows up a bit. Again, your feet are about hip-width distance apart, big bend through the knees. Take a nice big inhale to start to reach your knuckles down towards the mat. And then slowly start to straighten the arms. See if you can start to bring them up a little bit higher. Try to pinch the shoulder blades together, opening up through the shoulders, the front of the chest. And slowly straighten the legs. Release. Arms, so much better. And for the third exercise, I'd like you to go ahead and once again face towards the desk. Really plant that right foot down. Just bring your fingertips to the desk for a little bit of balance. We're going to pick up the left ankle and bring the left ankle on top of the right knee. Now reach the arms out once again and start to bend that right knee. So you're really sitting into this pose. Think about bringing the left knee down towards the floor, but you really want to flex that left foot. If you can sit here a little bit lower, breathe into this nice big stretch. Good, stay here a good few, maybe 10 breaths. And then slowly start to straighten the leg, bring the left foot down, maybe shake out the little legs. Let's just try that on the other side. Planting the left foot down, fingertips on the desk. Bringing that right ankle on top of the left knee, really flex the right foot. Think about bringing the right knee down towards the floor, reach the fingertips out. Sitting a little bit lower here. Few nice big deep breaths. And then we'll slowly come all the way back up. Well, thank you so much for practicing with me today. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try these poses out the next time you feel a little bit stiff at work and let me know how you get on. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on yoga, meditation, and practices to live your most extraordinary life. See you next time.